Hey everyone, how are you doing? Great, we're about to start on an amazing adventure together, a journey to understand and harness the incredible power of your own thoughts. Yes, you heard that right. Your thoughts have the potential to completely transform your life. They can shape your reality, influence your emotions, and guide your actions. You see, we often underestimate the profound impact our thoughts have on us. We let negative thoughts and self-doubts creep in, unknowingly creating roadblocks on our path to happiness and success. But what if I told you that you possess the power to change all of that? What if you could learn to cultivate positive thoughts, to create a mindset that empowers you to achieve your dreams? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. In this journey of self-discovery, we will look into the fascinating world of the mind. We will uncover the intricate connection between your thoughts, your beliefs, and your experiences. You'll learn to recognize those limiting beliefs that hold you back and discover how to replace them with empowering affirmations. You'll discover the transformative power of gratitude and forgiveness and learn how to visualize your dreams into reality. This journey is not about becoming someone you're not. It's about accepting your true potential, about unleashing the incredible power that lies within you. It's about creating a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. So are you ready to start on this transformative journey? Are you ready to unlock the boundless possibilities that lie within the realm of your thoughts? Then let's dive in and discover the extraordinary power of positive thinking. Now let's take a moment to really grasp the power of our thoughts. Imagine your mind as a fertile garden. Every thought you have is like a seed that you plant in this garden. Positive thoughts are like seeds of beautiful flowers and nourishing fruits. They create a vibrant and thriving landscape within your mind. On the other hand, negative thoughts are like weeds. They choke the life out of your garden, leaving it barren and unfruitful. The thoughts you cultivate in your mind have a direct impact on your emotions, your actions, and ultimately your experiences. If you constantly focus on negativity, fear, and self-doubt, you'll create a reality that reflects those thoughts. You'll attract situations and people that reinforce those beliefs, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. But here's the amazing part. You have the power to choose the seeds you plant in your mental garden. You can consciously cultivate positive thoughts, nurture them with care, and watch them blossom into a beautiful reality. When you fill your mind with thoughts of love, gratitude, and abundance, you'll start to see those qualities reflected in your life. Your thoughts are not just fleeting whispers in your mind, they are powerful forces that shape your world. So choose your thoughts wisely. Cultivate a mindset of positivity and watch as your life transforms in extraordinary ways. Now, let's talk about those pesky weeds in your mental garden, the limiting beliefs. These are those deeply ingrained negative thoughts that hold you back from reaching your full potential. They are the voices in your head that tell you that you're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy of love or success. These limiting beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even the words of others. They become deeply embedded in your subconscious mind, influencing your thoughts and actions without you even realizing it. They create invisible barriers that prevent you from stepping outside your comfort zone, from pursuing your dreams, and from living the life you truly desire. It's time to identify and uproot these limiting beliefs. The first step is to become aware of them. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. What are the recurring negative thoughts that pop up in your mind? What are the self-doubts that hold you back? Once you become aware of these limiting beliefs, you can start to challenge them, question their validity. Are they based on facts or on fear? Are they serving you or hindering you? You have the power to choose your beliefs. You are not bound by the limitations of your past or the expectations of others. You can rewrite the narrative of your life, starting with the thoughts you choose to believe. Now let's explore one of the most powerful tools for cultivating positive thoughts: Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself either silently or aloud. They are like seeds of positivity that you plant in your mental garden, nurturing them with repetition and belief. Affirmations work by reprogramming your subconscious mind. When you consistently repeat positive affirmations, you start to create new neural pathways in your brain. These pathways reinforce positive beliefs and replace those old limiting patterns of thought. Over time, your affirmations become your reality. The key to using affirmations effectively is to choose statements that resonate with you and to repeat them with conviction. Feel the truth of the words as you say them. Visualize yourself embodying the qualities you affirm. The more emotion and belief you put into your affirmations, the more powerful they become. Affirmations are not about denying reality or pretending that everything is perfect. They are about creating a positive mindset, about focusing on your strengths and possibilities, and about believing in your ability to create the life you desire. So start incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. Repeat them in the morning, throughout the day, and before you go to bed. Let them become the soundtrack of your life, guiding you towards a brighter and more fulfilling future. Let's now turn our attention to the transformative power of forgiveness. Holding on to anger, resentment, or guilt is like carrying a heavy burden on your shoulders. It weighs you down, drains your energy, and prevents you from moving forward. Forgiveness is the key to releasing this burden and freeing yourself from the shackles of the past. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning or forgetting the actions of others. It means acknowledging the pain that was caused, but choosing to let go of the anger and resentment. It means recognizing that holding on to negativity only hurts you, not the person who wronged you. Start by forgiving yourself. We all make mistakes, and it's important to acknowledge those mistakes without dwelling on them. Learn from your past, but don't let it define you. Release the guilt and shame and give yourself permission to move forward. Next, extend forgiveness to others. This may be challenging, especially if the hurt was deep. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself, not to the other person. It allows you to break free from the cycle of negativity and create space for healing and growth. Forgiveness is a process, not a one-time event. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. When you forgive, you release the emotional baggage that holds you back. You open your heart to love, compassion, and inner peace. Now let's explore another powerful practice for cultivating positive thoughts: gratitude. Gratitude is the simple act of appreciating the good things in your life. It's about recognizing the abundance that surrounds you, even in the midst of challenges. When you practice gratitude, you shift your focus from what's lacking to what's present. You train your mind to see the positive in every situation, to appreciate the little things, and to find joy in the everyday moments. Gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a practice. It requires conscious effort and intention. Start by creating a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be big or small, tangible or intangible. The important thing is to focus on the positive aspects of your life. Another way to cultivate gratitude is to express appreciation to others. Let the people in your life know how much you value them. A simple thank you or a heartfelt compliment can go a long way in spreading positivity and strengthening your relationships. Gratitude is a muscle that needs to be exercised. The more you practice it, the stronger it becomes. And as your gratitude grows, so does your capacity for happiness and abundance. Let's now look into the fascinating realm of visualization and manifestation. Visualization is the practice of creating mental images of your desired outcomes. It's about seeing yourself achieving your goals, experiencing success, and living the life you dream of. When you visualize, you tap into the power of your subconscious mind. You send a clear message to the universe about what you want to create in your life, and the more vivid and detailed your visualizations, the stronger the signal you send. Manifestation is the process of bringing your visualizations into reality. It's about taking inspired action and aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desired outcomes. When you combine visualization with positive thoughts and focused action, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards your goals. To visualize effectively, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Then start to create mental images of your desired outcomes. See yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotions associated with success, and experiencing the joy and fulfillment that comes with living your dreams. The key to successful visualization is to make it as real as possible. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste in your visualization? The more details you add, the more powerful your visualization becomes. Visualization is not a magic wand. It doesn't replace hard work and dedication. But it can be a powerful tool for setting clear intentions, staying motivated, and attracting opportunities that align with your goals. So, make visualization a regular part of your routine. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your dreams and watch as they start to manifest in your life. Now that we've explored the power of visualization and manifestation, let's talk about the importance of taking action. Positive thoughts and visualizations are essential, but they are not enough on their own. You need to take inspired action to bring your dreams into reality. Action is the bridge between your thoughts and your results, and it's about taking concrete steps towards your goals, even if they are small. It's about making choices that align with your vision and moving forward with purpose and determination. Start by setting clear and specific goals. What do you want to achieve? Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make them less overwhelming and more achievable. Once you have your goals in place, create a plan of action. What specific steps do you need to take to reach your goals? What resources do you need? Who can support you on your journey? Action doesn't have to be perfect, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. The important thing is to keep moving forward, to learn from your experiences and to adjust your course as needed. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Growth and transformation happen when you challenge yourself and push your boundaries. Accept the unknown and trust that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacles that come your way. Even with the most positive mindset and determined action, challenges are inevitable. Life is full of ups and downs, twists and turns. There will be setbacks, disappointments, and moments of doubt. Challenges are not roadblocks, they are opportunities for growth. When faced with a challenge, don't let negativity take over. Instead, view it as a chance to learn and evolve. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? How can I use this experience to become stronger and wiser? Setbacks are temporary and they don't define you or your journey. Don't let them derail you from your path. Instead, use them as stepping stones to greater heights. It's also important to be patient with yourself. Transformation takes time. Don't expect overnight results. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. And remember, every step forward, no matter how faltering, is a step in the right direction. If you find yourself struggling with negative emotions, don't suppress them. Acknowledge them, feel them, and then let them go. Emotions are like waves, and they rise and fall. Don't get caught up in the storm. Ride the waves with grace and resilience. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos that promote positivity and personal growth. Fill your mind with empowering messages and watch as your mindset transforms. And most importantly, never give up on yourself. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and create the life you desire. You are strong, you are capable, and you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer. While we come to the end of our video of the power of positive thoughts, let's recap the key takeaways. We've learned that our thoughts shape our reality, that we have the power to choose our beliefs, and that positive affirmations, forgiveness, and gratitude are powerful tools for transformation. We've explored the magic of visualization and manifestation and emphasized the importance of taking action and overcoming challenges. The journey of transformation is ongoing. It's a lifelong process of learning, growing, and evolving. But with a positive mindset and a commitment to personal growth, you can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. So keep cultivating those positive thoughts, nurture your mental garden with care, and watch as your life blossoms into something truly extraordinary. You have the power to create your own reality. Choose thoughts that empower you, beliefs that uplift you, and actions that move you closer to your dreams. The world is your canvas, and your thoughts are the paintbrush. Paint a masterpiece of your life filled with vibrant colors and boundless possibilities. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and never stop reaching for the stars. The power to transform your life lies within you. Go out there and make it happen.